Hi, mini chefs! Today we're making snickerdoodle cookies while learning all about vowels, those special letters that bring words to life. As we mix and shape our cookies, we'll explore short and long vowel sounds. And our catchy vowel song will help us remember them all. Ready to learn and bake? Let's get cooking! B-I-S-O-U-S, Chef Bisous. Hi, mini chefs! I'm Chef Bisous, and I'm thrilled that you're back in the kitchen for another adventure. Today we're making snickerdoodle vowel cookies.
Did somebody say cookies?
Oh, hi, Sous Chef Encore. Yes, today we're making vowel cookies.
Oh, I love cookies. But what's a vowel?
You know your alphabet, right?
Yeah, I do. A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Yes, but there are some letters in the alphabet that are extra special. They're called vowels. Those letters are A, E, I, O, and U.
Oh, AEIOU.
Oh, Sous Chef Encore, you're so silly.
What makes AEIOU vowels?
Let's try something. Mini chefs, on the count of 3, say my name, Chef Bisous, nice and slow with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Chef Bisous. Great. Did you notice how your mouth stays open at different times when you say my name? Like the eh sound in chef, or the e or oo sounds in Bisous. When you say the letters A, E, I, O, U in a word, they keep your mouth open.
Oh my goodness, I never knew that. Vowel sounds can come out so freely. So that must be why vowels are the best letters to yell or sing. A-E-I-O-U. I love that tune.
Right. Now, when you try sounding out the other letters that aren't vowels in my name, you'll block the air with your lips, teeth, or tongue, like the B sound or Z sound in Bisous.
That is so cool. So what are the other letters called that aren't vowels?
The other letters are called consonants.
Ooh, let me try singing some consonants. That doesn't work at all.
You're right, Sous Chef Encore. When we say or sing words, we need both vowels and consonants working together. In fact, every word has a vowel in it. But there's one more thing that makes each vowel special. They each can make both short and long sounds.
Wow, that sounds like a lot to remember.
It sure is. But don't worry, we'll practice while making our snickerdoodle vowel cookies.
Ooh, that's a great idea. And I'll write us a song to help us remember the vowels and their sounds.
You know I love a good song.
Okay, let's split up. You bake, I'll write. Meet back here soon. Ready, set, go!
Magic Micro, which ingredients will we need for these yummy cookies? We'll need eggs, brown sugar, oil, flour, baking powder, sugar, and cinnamon. We'll also need a big mixing bowl, a mixing spoon, a small plate with another spoon, and a greased baking sheet. Let's add some of these ingredients into the bowl. 3 eggs. 1, 2, and 3. 1 cup of brown sugar and 3/4 cup oil to our bowl. Now let's mix it together. You can use a hand mixer if you have one, but make sure a grown-up is there to help you. Stir and mix, stir and mix, stir and mix. Now let's add 3 cups of flour and 2 teaspoons of baking powder to our bowl and mix well. I'm so glad Sous Chef Encore pre-measured it all for me. Stir and mix, stir and mix, stir and mix. We also want to make some sprinkle toppings for our cookies. Let's dump the cinnamon into the sugar and mix it together before placing it on our plate. Stir and mix, stir and mix, stir and mix. Our ingredients are ready to go. It's time to craft these vowel-shaped cookies. Let's quickly set our oven to 375 degrees so it'll be ready for baking. Oh, that's our safety chime. Magic Micro is reminding us to be careful when working with things that are hot. Mini chefs always have a grown-up with you to help you with an oven. Magic Micro, what's the first vowel we'll be making today? A. The vowel A can make two different sounds. A short A sounds like ah, as in apple or alligator. A long A sounds like A as in acorn or ape. One way that helps me to remember the difference between a short and long vowel is that the long vowel always sounds like the letter itself. Acorns, ape. Do you hear the letter A in there? Let's make our letter A. Okay, our cookie A is almost complete. It just needs a little topping. Time to place our A on our plate of cinnamon sugar. Don't forget to flip it to the other side before we place it on the baking sheet. Ta-da, our A. Magic Micro, what's the next vowel? E. A short E sound sounds like eh, like in the words egg or elephant. A long E sound sounds like a happy squeal, E as in cheese or eagle. Did you notice something about where the letter E is in the words? Sometimes vowels are at the beginning, middle, or end of a word. Now let's make our letter E. Time to cover it in our topping. And here's our E. Now the third vowel is one that I really like. That's right, it's I. Once again, we have two different sounds for this vowel. The short I sound sounds like eh, as in figs or fish. The long I sound sounds like I, as in ice cream or tiger. Now let's make our letter I. Time for toppings. Our letter I. Okay, we're halfway there. What's our next vowel, Magic Micro? O. A short O sounds like aw, as in olives or octopus. The long O sound, however, sounds like the letter O, as in oatmeal or orca. It's time to make our letter O. And my favorite part, the topping. The next vowel is one that you probably know. Do you know what it is, Magic Micro? U. U has two different sounds. The short U sound sounds like as in nuts, or the bug in ladybug, while the long U sounds like the letter U, like juice and unicorn. Let's make our letter U. Our letter U is ready to get into the toppings. So there we have it, our 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U. What is it, Magic Micro? Am I missing something? Why? That's right. It can be easy to forget about Y because sometimes it's a consonant. That's a letter that isn't a vowel. Or sometimes it's a vowel. You see, if the word starts with the letter Y, like yellow, the air and sound get blocked by our mouths on the way out, by our tongue and teeth. Yellow. But when the letter Y is at the end of the word, like happy or sky, the word doesn't get blocked by our mouth, teeth, or tongue, so it's a vowel. Another way to remember it is if it sounds like the other vowels, like E in happy or I in sky. So Y deserves a spot on our baking tray. Let's go ahead and create it. Time to add the toppings. There we have it, our vowels A, E, I, O, U, and Y. I love vowels. Did you know that sometimes when vowels are side by side in a word, they make an entirely different sound? Sauce has an A and U beside one another. Together they make an aw sound. And the word toy has an O and Y beside each other. Together they make an oi sound. Mini chefs, what sounds can you find in the words you see all around you? Sous Chef Encore is back.
Hi, Chef Bisous. That cookie dough looks amazing. I see A, E, I, O, U, and Y.
Just in time, Sous Chef Encore. The mini chefs and I finished shaping our vowel cookies, and now it's time for them to go into the oven.
I can't wait to try them. Wait, what about that extra batter and topping?
I plan on making extra cookies later. We have a new mini chef on the way. While they bake, why don't we sing the song you just wrote about vowels?
Let's do it. Magic Micro, do your thing.
Vowels are letters that we use, shaping words through and through. Different sounds for short and long. Let's review them in this song. A-E-I-O, U. A-E-I-O, U. Alice the alligator had an apple. Eddie the elephant enjoyed his eggs. Izzy the fish nibbled itsy bitsy figs. Oscar the octopus got olives. Usher the ladybug munched nuts. Those examples have short vowel sounds. A-E-I-O, U. A-E-I-O, U. Those are the vowels to review.
Those were the short vowel sounds. Now let's move on to the long ones.
Abe the ape ate acorns. Eve the eagle eats cheese. Isaac the tiger tried icy ice cream. Owen the orca chose oatmeal. Yuri the unicorn used juice. Those examples have long vowel sounds. A-E-I-O, U. A-E-I-O, U. Those are the vowels to review. Use Y sometimes for the other guys, like E in happy or I in sky combined. New sounds to enjoy, like aw and sauce or oi and toy. A-E-I-O, U. A-E-I-O, U. A-E-I-O, U. Those are the vowels to review. Those are the vowels to review. Those are the vowels to review.
Sous Chef Encore, that was such a fun song. Hearing all those words sung that way will definitely help me remember the vowels and their short and long sounds.
Thanks, Chef Bisous. Is it just me, or do you smell freshly baked cookies?
Oh yes! The cookies should be ready to eat soon. Would you like to come back to the kitchen with me to give our cookies a taste?
I was hoping you'd ask. Magic Micro, can you please send Chef Bisous and me back to the kitchen? Whoa! Thanks, Magic Micro.
Great timing! The cookies are ready. Mini chefs, when taking anything out of the oven, make sure you have a grown-up with you because the tray will be very hot.
Ooh, those look delicious, but I bet they're hot. Can I help you tidy up while we wait for them to cool down?
That is a great idea. You are one helpful sous chef.
Tidy, 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 everyone should clean. Tidy, 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 part of the routine. Tidy, 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 put your things away. Tidy, 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 for another day.
Thank you for joining us today to learn about vowels while we made these snickerdoodle vowel cookies.
AEIOU better believe these are the tastiest cookies ever.
Bye, mini chefs. We can't wait to learn and cook with you again.
Chef Bisous.
Hey grown-ups, like and subscribe and head over to our website, chefbisous.com, for free activities, recipes, music, and more for your mini chefs. Thanks for watching.